Welcome back to my channel Education Hub. Point 48.
15 phrasal verbs for sadness. Fall apart. Meaning: to feel emotionally devastated. Examples: after the breakup, she completely fell apart. He was falling apart after losing his job. Give up. Meaning: to feel too sad to continue or persevere. Examples: after trying so hard, she gave up when things didn't work out. Don't give up just because you're feeling down. Drag down. Meaning: to cause someone to feel depressed or unhappy. Examples: the constant bad news is dragging me down. His negative attitude is dragging everyone down. Sink into. Meaning: to fall into a state of sadness or depression. Examples: she sank into despair after losing her pet. He sank into sadness when he heard the tragic news. Bring down. Meaning: to make someone feel sad or depressed. Examples: the gloomy weather is really bringing me down. Losing the competition brought him down for days. Tear up. Meaning: to become teary-eyed or cry a little. Examples: she teared up when she read the heartfelt letter. He started to tear up during the emotional farewell. Beat down. Meaning: to feel emotionally exhausted or demoralized. Examples: the constant failures were beating him down. The pressure from work was beating her down every day. Dwell on. Meaning: to think about something sad or negative repeatedly. Examples: don't dwell on the past. It will only make you feel worse. She kept dwelling on her mistakes, which made her feel even sadder. Let go of. Meaning: to stop holding on to sad memories or feelings. Examples: she couldn't let go of her grief for years. He finally let go of the sadness after talking to a therapist. Fade away. Meaning: to gradually lose strength or fade, often referring to emotions. Examples: his happiness faded away when he realized the truth. Over time, her sadness began to fade away. Push away. Meaning: to reject others, often out of sadness or fear. Examples: he pushed everyone away after his wife's death. In her sadness, she pushed away those trying to help. Bottled up. Meaning, to keep sadness or emotions inside without expressing them. Examples: he bottled up his sadness for years, never talking to anyone about it. Don't bottle up your feelings. It's better to talk to someone. Pull through. Meaning, to overcome a difficult or sad time. Examples: she pulled through the sadness with the support of her friends. Despite the hardships, he eventually pulled through and felt better. Break down. Meaning, to lose control of one's emotions, often due to sadness. Examples: he broke down after hearing the tragic news. She couldn't handle the stress and broke down in tears. Cry out. Meaning, to express sadness loudly or emotionally. Examples: she cried out in despair after losing her job. He cried out for help, but no one was around.
Thanks for watching Education Hub. Point 48. Subscribe for more videos.